this video. So this camping trip with my family was the first time I tried to make a film, but also enjoy the time with my family, and the latter is what was most important. And I loved it. It was great. It succeeded, I think, in terms of actually making a film and enjoying my time with my family and seeing a beautiful place and doing a little bit of photography. The point of this vlog is just to show that you can take the opportunities to make films while enjoying the much more important pursuit of hanging out with your family and spending time with the people that you love the most. And it's not easy. You have to be very organized and you have to be patient. And when you're looking after little children who generally can easily have accidents and injure themselves, then any task that you're trying to do at the same time is not the priority. So, you know, if you're organized and patient and you take all the opportunities that present themselves to you, you can come away with something. And how good that is really up to the audience. But for me, it was very satisfying. And there are some more trips that I'm going to make sure I just take my camera and take the opportunity to make a film, because these are a record of some really genuine time that I had with my family, and also allow me to practice filmmaking. So thanks for watching. Enjoy. Sweet.
You take it in the dirty window.
I'm walking again in a forest. This time I'm near the sea. So this week's vlog is taking place in Maharangi National Park. Again, very close to Auckland. And this time we're gonna show you how to have a fun family camp trip. And this is on my iPhone, and that sound you hear is my wet flip-flops, because I've just been on a boat journey that very nearly killed me, and I've had to wade across an estuary. I've got to go back and get the wife and kids. But look, this is where I am. Yeah. What's the crack, lads? Okay, I apologise if the sound isn't good on this vlog so far. I did bring a mic. I will use it later. But for now, this is iPhone footage. So what's the crack, lads? Why am I walking down a hill surrounded by sheep? Because I left the phone in the car, and this campsite takes a bit of getting to. It's not your drive up, drop tent and sorted type of campsite. It's your cross fences, through fields, past sheep, down lanes kind of campsite. And it's worth it. But I've got the wife and the kids with me, so this vlog is going to be family friendly. Top 3 things you need for a campsite with the family: especially if it's in a beautiful location like this. Patience, tenacity, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to sweat a little bit to get to where you want to be. So I gotta cross an estuary right now, so bear with me. So this has been a little bit unplanned, disorganized vlog, but I hope you've appreciated it. This is a family trip and I'm sneaking in some photography here, just waiting for a nice sunset. But really I wanted to capture this place. This is Timuri campsite in Maharangi National Park, not far from Auckland, and it's beautiful. It's paradise. This place is just stunning and not many people come here, and so not much of a vlog in terms of narrative. I think, you know, it was a challenge getting here, but we all got here. The babies are happy and safe, and we've got our last night tonight, and it's been beautiful. So enjoy the B-roll, enjoy the sunrise photography from this morning, if I choose to show it. If not, hopefully tomorrow morning I'll get a good shot at sunrise, and that's the one you'll see. And keep watching, please. I'm a tired dad, but I am making things happen, and I'm here to show you how to do the same. So stay tuned, subscribe, and smash the like button, and the next trip will be ready soon. Thank you for watching.
Been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure.